How sustainability objectives ended up being reality. Renewable natural gas, RNG, is a transportation gas created coming from all natural waste. It's extensively known as a cleaner energy, but there has been a long history of controversy regarding its use and the effect it may possess on climate, specifically in the Midwest and also on New Mexico. The energy's biofuel condition is one more huge factor to consider when deciding whether a RNG job is secure, because its emissions are frequently lesser than those of standard gas. It substantially lowers carbon emissions by a standard of 300% compared to diesel, and at a fraction of the gas expense. The new modern technology reduces energy intake significantly. This brand new technology produces 4 gigawatts every year in energy sale, GHG, in the course of building and construction of the location, which will definitely drive 440 brand new electricity related work in the state. It likewise strengthens sunlight production for the electricity effectiveness job that will aid deal with the state's dependence on solar for its 90% of its electric power. Unlike typical natural fuel, RNG is not a non-renewable fuel and does not entail drilling. Its make use of does not rely on economic advancement, or also on the availability of all natural gasoline books. It is a natural gasoline substitute for petroleum that is typically used in atomic and plane engines, which are presently being built into energy resources in North America by the National Academy of Sciences. It is not utilized in nuclear gas or hydroelectric vegetations, however. Clean Energy originated RNG as a motor vehicle fuel in the U.S. and we proceed to be North America's largest carrier of RNG for the transit sector. With an image for quality study and development, we focus on refining and recycling gas, and the creation of our RNG products, making use of zero-emission electricity to support our purpose to establish new innovations and brand new energy resources. Animals' manure and garbage dumps account for 27% of methane emissions in the U.S. The volume of marsh gas released into the setting as an end result of manure or garbage dumps is additional than twice that of water, or 2 times that of diesel and marsh gas. For the initial time this summer season, EPA researchers have been able to recognize a detailed design in the climatic marsh gas discharges of the first ever marsh gas launch, coming from horticulture, agriculture and transit. This is the source of our RNG. As we have seen with our previous short articles, it can easily be hard to pinpoint and evaluate the worth of the original, and more typically than not we are informed to dismiss and instead use an approach called quantitative business economics through pundits and pundits. This is a technique of determining and framing a worth for economic and social reasons. The fundamental tip is to integrate all of these traits and utilize an easy formula to figure out what the source was. When all natural matter rot, it normally produces marsh gas, one of the garden greenhouse fuels most harmful to the setting.